Bobcat Mini Track Loaders are designed to safely and efficiently dig, level, and load materials. To avoid injuring yourself or others or damaging your machine, familiarize yourself with the instructions in this video, your machine's operation and maintenance manual, and the Association of Equipment Manufacturers Safety Manual before using a Bobcat Mini Track Loader. You will see the safety alert symbol throughout the operation and maintenance manual and on pictorial safety signs. This identifies important hazards you should avoid to reduce the possibility of serious injury or death. Always follow the instructions in the safety message. While it is impossible to cover every situation you may encounter during operation, this video presents several topics, including safety features, slope operation, job site management, and additional training resources. Your Bobcat loader was designed with safety in mind, but safety also depends on you. As with any piece of equipment, always be aware of your surroundings while operating your machine. Wear tight-fitting clothing and closed-toed shoes. Loose clothing or jewelry can get tangled in moving parts and should be avoided. Put up long hair. Check local regulations and your job site for PPE requirements such as hard hats, safety glasses, and hearing protection. When operating in low-light conditions, utilize the loader lights if equipped. Do not operate if you're experiencing drowsiness or under the influence of alcohol or drugs that may affect your judgment or reaction time. Always perform the pre-start procedure before operating your machine. An inspection should also be performed every time there is a change of operators. First, check your surroundings for any bystanders in the area. If anyone enters the job site while you are operating the loader, stop the loader and wait for them to leave before continuing operation. Do not allow anyone to ride on the loader or any attachment. Remember, a Bobcat Mini Track Loader is strictly a one-person machine. Before entering the loader, inspect your work area. Check the surface conditions for adequate traction to avoid sliding down a slope, which could cause a rollover. Additionally, make sure the ground has been prepared for your job. Before you dig, dial 811 if operating in the United States. In Canada, call 888-258-0808. When operating in an enclosed environment, ensure there is proper ventilation to reduce accumulation of dust, debris, and fumes. Be advised of available accessories or equipment for your particular machine or job application, such as front and rear lights, pallet forks, and other attachments. Familiarize yourself with the safety signs and replace any that are damaged or missing. Check the condition of the neutral start interlocks, auxiliary hydraulic interlock, lift and tilt lockouts, and the continuous flow shutoff pedal. Ensure that the tracks are in good condition and replace them as necessary. Examine the loader and attachments for any damage, debris, or modifications. Only use approved attachments. Perform the rest of your daily inspection using the service schedule decal found on the underside of the hood or in your operation and maintenance manual. Safe operation of your mini track loader starts with you, the operator. When operating the loader, keep your hands on the controls and your feet on the platform. Only operate the machine from the operator position, never from the ground. The machine is equipped with neutral start interlocks, which deactivate the auxiliary hydraulics and drive functions. Before starting the engine, ensure all controls are in the neutral position and the parking brake is engaged. Additionally, the loader is equipped with lift and tilt lockout functions which deactivate the lift arm controls when the machine is off. Ensure the lift arms are fully lowered before turning off the machine. Never allow anyone to reach or stand under the raised lift arms or attachment. If the machine loses power, lower the lift arms using the lift arm bypass control. Some attachments require the use of continuous auxiliary hydraulic flow. To enable, stand on the continuous flow shutoff pedal located on the platform. On some loader models, this pedal must be disengaged to start the engine. To begin operating your loader, enter the operator position and start the engine. Never attempt to start the engine or operate the machine's controls from outside the operator position. Once the engine is started, familiarize yourself with the operation of the loader and its controls. Move the controls smoothly and do not make any sudden stops, starts, or turns. Remember, the machine will react the moment you activate the controls. The further the controls are moved, the faster the operation will be performed. Review the operation and maintenance manual for any unfamiliar operations or controls. Familiarize yourself with the parking brake location on the control panel. The parking brake must always be engaged when the machine is not in use. Only disengage the parking brake after machine startup. Before choosing an attachment for your mini track loader, review the rated operating capacity, or ROC. This information can be found in the machine's operation and maintenance manual. The ROC must not be exceeded. Overloading could cause your machine to become damaged or to tip, resulting in serious injury or death. When connecting approved attachments, make sure the Bobcat levers or locking pins are completely down. Once connected, tilt the attachment forward to visually confirm that the wedges or pins are through the attachment mounting frame holes. Carry loads as low as possible and operate your attachment within the guidelines provided in the attachment's operation and maintenance manual. When operating on slopes, reduce speed and use caution by keeping movement slow and gradual. Drive straight up or down slopes, never across, and keep the heavy end of the loader uphill. With no load, the rear end of the loader is heavier. Never operate the loader on steep inclines and do not turn on slopes unless absolutely necessary. Operators must remain fully aware of their surroundings and maintain a clear view of the direction of travel. Before exiting the loader, always lower the lift arms, place the attachment flat on the ground, and engage the parking brake. Return the joysticks to the neutral position. Stop the engine and remove the key if equipped. When transporting your loader, ensure you have the proper sized truck, trailer, and ramps. Load or unload the machine with the heavy end uphill. Use the tie-down points to chain the loader to the trailer. Always observe the rules, motor vehicle laws, and vehicle limit ordinances when transporting the loader. Regular maintenance of your loader promotes safe and efficient operation. Failure to maintain your machine will result in excessive wear and early failures. Before servicing your loader, ensure that the lift arms are lowered. If the lift arms must be left in a raised position for maintenance work, they must be supported by the approved lift arm support to prevent accidental lowering. Regularly check for and remove any built-up flammable debris, particularly in the engine compartment and around the exhaust, to prevent fire hazards. Perform the rest of your daily inspection according to the service schedule decal. Maintenance procedures that are not addressed in the operation and maintenance manual must be performed only by qualified Bobcat service personnel. Operators should receive training on the safety features and safe operation practices before using Bobcat Mini Track Loaders. It is essential that training be provided in a language the operator can understand and that they have opportunities to ask questions. Training should cover the key points discussed in this video. Operators should receive refresher training when covering new terrain, operating new equipment, or whenever deemed necessary. Always use your best judgment and be aware of your surroundings. Remember the safety instructions from this video and the operation and maintenance manual when operating your machine. These tips will help you get the most out of your Bobcat Mini Track Loader and will allow you to stay safe while getting the job done. For additional information, technical specifications, and training resources for your mini track loader and other Bobcat equipment, contact your dealer or visit bobcat.com/training.